These faceless TikTok accounts are generating over 10K in passive income every month. With the rise of AI, they managed to create such large TikTok accounts in a short period of time. They've turned these accounts into a profitable business that almost entirely runs on autopilot. In today's video, I'll show you how to start similar accounts with the help of different tools, from coming up with the perfect script to creating viral videos and turning those views into passive income. I will also reveal hidden methods to make money in different ways, so make sure to watch until the end. I promise you, this isn't one of those videos you see on YouTube. This will be your first video that will really help you earn money. Let's get straight to the point. The first thing you need to do is find an AI tool. I use Futurepedia.io to find AI tools. This is a website full of AI tools, and it gets updated daily. After scrolling for 5 minutes, I found the perfect AI tool to promote, Flicky, which is one of the best text-to-video AI tools in the market right now. It can transform your ideas into stunning videos with our AI video generator. Easy-to-use text-to-video editor featuring lifelike voiceovers, dynamic AI video clips, and a wide range of AI-powered features. Nowadays, people want to save up their time and are looking for easy solutions to create content on automation, to which Flicky is one of their best choices. If an AI tool can change people's lives, there's a good chance that the video you're going to make about it will go viral. But with all these views, you want to make money, so you're looking for an affiliate program, if one is available. After a bit of research, I found the affiliate program for Flicky. You can earn $10 to $25 for each person you bring to this platform. You just need to refer to 10 people every day to earn $100 to $250 per day. And with the strategy I'm going to show you later, this will be a piece of cake. After you've created an account, you'll start making your first video. Before we dive into creating the video, we first need a script. Typically, I would use GPT-4 for this task, but since it's not free and not accessible to everyone, I'll show you a free alternative. Search for a website called Perplexity AI and click the first link. This AI-powered search engine functions similarly to ChatGPT and offers free access to internet-based resources. As with ChatGPT, the quality of Perplexity AI's output largely depends on the quality of your prompt. That's why I've created a unique prompt template to save you the hassle and ensure optimal results. This prompt and other valuable resources are linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out. For the prompt, the only detail you need to add is the website link of the AI tool you want to use. In my case, it's Flicky. After pasting the link, hit the button to generate, and Perplexity AI will produce a summary of the website along with 3 different scripts, which is exactly what we wanted. Now, copy all the generated content by clicking here and open a Google document to paste everything into it. We generate 3 scripts so we can pick the best parts from each and combine them into one final, high-quality script. But this ensures that the final script is,
"Oh my God! Wow!"
Now I'm about to give you another masterpiece. Once the script is ready, copy the text and head over to an AI tool called 11 Labs, where you can create realistic voices for free. Sign up for a free account. The free credits are more than enough to create about 10 voiceovers. Select the type of voice you prefer. Then copy and paste your script text. Hit generate and wait for the voiceover to be produced. It's ready. Let's listen to it.
You know, it's really disappointing when most people who watch your video don't even subscribe.
Oh, it looks like it generated the wrong script. I'll show you the final video with the correct voiceover at the end. After the voice is created, you can start gathering assets for creating the video. Go to YouTube and search for no copyright Minecraft gameplay videos. You will see a bunch of videos you can use for free. After finding the perfect video, you then copy the video URL. Search for YouTube Video Downloader on Google. Open any website and paste it right here where you can download YouTube videos in different formats. Choose the desired video resolution and hit download. After downloading the video, you then search for demo videos of the AI tool. You can do that by simply searching on their website for videos. Or go to YouTube and search for the name of the AI tool, where you then search for demo videos on their official YouTube channel. But in my case, Flicky doesn't have a YouTube channel, so I will go with the video I downloaded from their site. But if both of those ways somehow don't work, then simply screen record their site using any free tool, just like I'm doing right now, and show the features and use cases of the tool. When you have all the assets, we then go to a free video editing app called CapCut to edit these assets into a video. It has an online version, which even provides an inbuilt screen recorder and a bunch of other stuff. But I still prefer the desktop version, which is faster. If CapCut is inaccessible to you for any reason, you can either use a VPN to access it or explore some of its alternatives. Adobe Rush is a free option, though not as good as CapCut. Another alternative is Final Cut Pro, which is quite similar to CapCut and provides a 90-day free trial, more than enough to get you started. Now, back to our project. Import all the assets into CapCut and start crafting your video. Begin by inserting the background Minecraft video. Since the video is too long, trim it down to just over 1 minute, which is all we need. You can zoom in on the timeline from here for more precise editing. Right-click on the video and select Extract Audio, as we won't need the original sound. Move the cursor to the beginning of the timeline and add your voiceover. Next, we need to change the video format to portrait. Click here and select the 9:16 ratio. While keeping the video selected, click this icon to resize the video to 9:16, so it fits the screen perfectly. Then, we're going to add captions to the video. Navigate to the Text tab and click on Auto Captions, ensuring your desired language, which in my case is English, and hit Generate. Once the captions are created, you'll want to adjust their style from the section on the right. First, click on Captions and review them to ensure there are no errors, such as misspelled words. Back in the text section, change the font to your preference. I usually go with Montserrat. You can also change the text color as desired. Next, scroll down and enable Stroke, adjusting its thickness to make the text more visible. You can enable shadows if you like, but it's optional. Next, head over to Animations, click on Captions, and select the Bounce Out animation to add some dynamic effects to your captions. When you are done creating the perfect style, ensure you position the captions slightly above the center. Then, move to the Effects section to add an overlay to the video, enhancing its visual appeal. Now, simply add in the video and any other resources you've collected, distributing them throughout the timeline. Here's a speed-up segment of the process where I listen to the voiceover and layer relevant media on it, also incorporating some stickers, effects, and animations into the imported media to make it even better. Once the video is complete, you'll move to export it. I prefer to set the highest export settings possible. Here's the video I created.
Content creator, marketer, or educator struggling to keep up with the demand for engaging videos. Ultimate AI video creation tool that will save you time and money. With Flicky, you can effortlessly few clicks. Say goodbye to expensive voiceover artists and complicated video editing software, and access to millions of rich stock media assets, ensuring that your videos sound reels or product demos. Flicky has you covered. Don't miss out on this game changer. To try Flicky today and take your content creation to the next level.
But things don't end here. Towards the end of this video, I will reveal how much I have made by promoting this exact AI tool so far. But first, let's take the next important step. Head over to Beacons AI, which allows you to add multiple links in your bio. Start setting up your Beacons page by following the setup process as I am doing in this demo. Our Beacons page is created. It might not look great initially, so to customize it, click on Design. Here, you can alter design to your liking. Here's a speed up of this process. After creating the Beacons page, click My Pages and remove anything that you don't need, then add a block where you're going to paste the affiliate link of the AI tool you're promoting. When you're done with the whole process, you then are going to test it out. If you've watched the video up to this point, you're lucky. Most people aren't willing to watch an entire video. That's why I added the most valuable information at the end, so only a small percentage can take advantage of this strategy I'm about to share. What you're going to do is create your own newsletter. It's raising business model, and I'm certain that it will overtake drop shipping and social media marketing agencies. Only a small group of people know about this business, but I'm going to share every detail here. Head over to Beehive, one of the best platforms to launch your own newsletters. If you sign up for its free plan, you won't pay anything for your first 2,500 subscribers. Since I'm already using this for my own newsletter, here's how the dashboard looks. You'll want to copy this exact URL and then go back to your beacons page. Let me disable their default email sign-up widget first. Now I'll click on the links block I previously created. Click on Add Link and paste your newsletter URL here. It automatically picked up information about my newsletter, but we need to simplify the description to something short and straightforward. On the Layout tab, you can alter how these links appear on your page by adjusting the settings. Now, the Beacons page looks like this, and you might wonder why you should create a newsletter. It's because it can earn you passive income, just like it does for me, without any extra effort. Let me explain how. Beehive allows you to earn money for each person you direct to newsletters. This amount can range from $2 to $4, depending on your niche. If you return to your Beehive dashboard, click Monetize, then click Boosts. You can apply for all these boosts, which would allow you to refer people to other newsletters, and in return, they will pay you on a per-subscriber basis. Whenever someone lands on your newsletter and subscribes, they will see a pop-up suggesting they also subscribe to these newsletters. So, no matter what niche you are in, you can implement this incredible strategy as well. Here is an example of 2 accounts that are doing exactly this. The first account promotes quite a few things, but its primary affiliate link leads to this AI tool. The second account is focused on driving traffic to its newsletter, which is hosted on Beehive. You can see that you can make a significant amount of money by implementing these types of strategies. If I were you, I'd close the YouTube app and start this business immediately. Here's the proof I promised. I've earned over $1,700 by promoting Fleeky AI in just 2 of my videos. But that's not all. You will also be earning from the TikTok Creativity Beta program, and depending on the number of views you get, it can be a significant part of your recurring income. However, currently, it is only available to people living in the US. That doesn't mean you can't join the program. Here's a neat way to do it. Open up this website, which allows you to buy not only US TikTok accounts, but also verified and monetized TikTok accounts. This means these accounts have already met the eligibility criteria for the TikTok Creativity program, and you can start earning from your next upload. You can find its link in the description, along with links for all the tools I have used in this video. With this, the video wraps up, but not the value I can provide you on my newsletter. Make sure you don't miss out on those incredible value gems I send bi-weekly for free, which are way better than even any paid courses or guides. If you like this video, then here's another one you would love. I will see you there.